The leading cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has hit a new all-time high for the first time in a month. Anticipation of a Fed rate cut, fueled by inflation numbers that met expectations, is driving the market rally.
가상화폐 대장주 비트코인이 한 달 만에 역대 최고가를 새로 썼습니다. 미국의 인플레이션 지표가 예상과 일치하면서 연준의 금리 인하 기대감이 가상화폐 시장 상승을 이끌고 있습니다. Okay, so there were reports that there was going to be inflation, and this has affected Bitcoin.
Yes.
And it's gotten higher. I feel like it's never too late to invest in Bitcoin because it keeps going up.
Yes. Well, of course, please do not take investment advice from us.
No.
We are not experts.
Absolutely.
But yes, the price of Bitcoin hit an all-time high. It was over 124,000 US dollars. 네, 12만 4천 달러 넘었는데요. Right now, it's about $121,000.
Okay, so the reason behind this surge that made it an all-time high, it is related to the consumer price index figures that was released yesterday.
Yes.
What is that exactly? I mean, what did they tell us?
So they basically told us that inflation has gone down to a normal level, right? The reason that the Fed put interest rates up was because inflation was very high.
Right.
So you raise inflation to get, you
Interest.
raise the interest rate to get inflation down.
Yes.
Now inflation is down,
So they can
lower the interest rates.
rates. And this was what caused everyone to get into Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because there's been some fighting, right?
A lot of fighting, yes.
Between Trump and the chairman of the Fed. Trump wants interest rates down.
He's been saying that for the last,
4 years, maybe?
4 years.
He's been saying it for a long time.
long time.
But yes, it does look like the Fed might be pressured to just take it down. That is the expectation now.
Yeah.
That it'll come down at least 25 points. They're hoping 50 points.
All right. Well, with this report, this CPI, maybe there is a good reason to do that. Whereas before, they were kind of holding off.
Yeah. Right now, the CPI is at 3.2% year on year, 3.2%. So that's about where you want it, actually.
Okay.
They usually aim for about 2% to 3%. So
It's not so bad.
yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Bitcoin, of course, is the leading cryptocurrency. So leading, it makes me think of leader.
Yes.
Right? In this case, we can assume that it is top, major, important, most important maybe?
Yeah.
선도적인?
Yes, 선두적인. So we see this a lot in certain markets. You talk about the market leader,
Yeah.
right? And that would be your 대장주, so the biggest company inside of a market.
Yes.
So here we used it with Bitcoin, calling it the leading cryptocurrency.
We often hear this word with certain reports or studies, a leading expert or a leading scientist. Meaning, when you hear that, you feel like, okay, they're kind of top of the game.
Yeah.
Yeah, they know what they're doing.
Yeah. It really is what it means. They lead. They are the leader.
Okay. All right, they lead. Okay. Let me read that again. The leading cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has hit a new all-time high for the first time in a month. Anticipation of a Fed rate cut fueled by inflation numbers that met expectations is driving the market rally.